tawag dyan, Fire Code of the Philippines 9514. Yeah. Actually, there's a clause there as one of the provisions, no, for the gas line. So as a subject matter expert, what is your siguro opinion na lang or recommendations, no? Stating there the applications of a secondary pipe for a commercial or building piping system. Thank you.
HSE. Normally kasi yung mga ano sir, yung mga building codes, ang sa amin, it's a different discipline eh. We call it building management system. Normally handled by our architects with regards to the building. Ano po? So we have a separate discipline there, but we can course through them your question po. Since it's pipeline, siguro, ano ba kulay ng gas? Yellow, ano? The pipe. Pag sa Pilipinas, ano po? I-take note na lang po namin yan, sir. Ano po?
Okay. Okay, I would... Meron pa? Okay, last na talaga to ah. Okay, somebody from the Zoom.
From Anthony Gonzalvo, question. Good morning, ma'am and sir.